back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, safe, secure at your place. So in today's video, I'm going to share this makeup tutorial. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Guys, my first step would be to apply primer. I'm using primer. This is by Nykaa Meghna primer. For prepping my base for eye, I'm using this Olivia's pan stick. This is in the shade 007. Now blend it very nicely. Next step would be to locking it. So for locking, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me uh, compact powder. For eyeshadow, I'm using this Beauty Glazed palette. And I'll be taking the purple shade from it because you can see my dress is in the purple and in a peach contrast. So I'll be using this part of the palette. Guys, I'm taking this pink shade to apply over my crease line. Now I'll be taking this darker purple shade to deposit over my outer corner here. I'll be depositing it here. Now guys, let's make a cut crease. So for that I've taken this concealer on my hand and now I'll be adding it to here. Guys, now take this shimmery shade. So I'll be taking this shimmery shade to deposit over here, over my concealer. Now guys, I'll be taking the same color, the same darker purple color which I have used here of my outer corner to deposit here over my lower lash line. So I'm taking this darker purple and I'll be adding here in my lower lash line. Now guys, I will clean my the outer corners to give it a edge look. Let's apply eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm using this Lakme's liner. Guys, for kajal, I'm using this Lakme's 9 to 5 gel kajal. Next, let's fill the brows. Now for that, I'm using this Swiss Beauty's brow filler. Let's highlight the inner corners. For that, I'm using this champagne shade. This is the perfect shade because it is going with my dress. So I'll be taking this shade and I'll be depositing it here. The same shade I'm going to highlight my brow bones. Guys, to complete the eye look, let's apply the fake eyelashes, and for that I'm using this Pax eye glue. So let's apply it. Guys, let's apply eyeliner over your fake eyelashes because it so that it merged with your eyeliner. It doesn't show that you have applied something over it. So let's merge it with eyeliner. Guys, I'm done with applying eyeliner. Okay, so now what next is we have to merge our original eyelashes with the fake one. So for that we have to apply mascara, and for mascara I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Easy Wash mascara. So let's apply it. And the same should be applied on your lower lash line as well. So guys, by this my eye makeup is complete. I hope you enjoyed it. And for my base makeup, please keep watching my next video. Till then, bye guys, take care, love you all.